Hi, today in front of me Motorola Moto G Pure, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings application and then scroll down to the wallpaper section. Here tap to lock screen and just here you can change the position of the wallpaper on the lock screen. Now just let's go back. Here we can choose our new wallpaper from our photos, from our device gallery. Previously taken photos or downloaded from the internet, or also we can use here our default wallpapers. Be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or another mobile data if you want to use the online wallpapers. So let's just tap again here, and now we can use one from these available wallpapers. So let's, for example, use this wallpaper. You can see how it will be look on the lock screen. Tap on the right down corner and tap to lock screen. Wallpaper set successfully, so now just let's lock the device. And we can see that we just successfully changed it. If you want, you can see and try one more way how you can do that. Just hold for a while device screen with the finger, tap to wallpapers, and then by the same way just use the new wallpaper. For example, let's use one from these downloaded photos, wallpapers. Just you can move and scale it by this way. You can zoom it also. So tap to OK, select lock screen, wait a second. So now let's lock the device, and as you can see we just changed it successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.